Are your F12 Developer Tools Core apps crashing due to the F12 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. For professional-grade F12 library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the F12 library, the core library for the F12 Developer Tools in Internet Explorer and MSHTML. It injects a specialized debugging hook into the browser process to monitor the DOM, Document Object Model, and JavaScript execution. It facilitates the real-time data link between the renderer's memory and the UI manifest used for network tracing and script profiling. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scannow so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like F12 library. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the F12 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Be aware that manual fixes for F12 Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes F12 library-related documentation. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter F12 library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.